Two-factor authentication not working on CommSec Fix. If you're having trouble with two-factor authentication on CommSec, you're not alone, and the good news is, the fix is usually simple. Most people think it's a system failure, but the surprising truth is that issues almost always come from small sync or update problems. Let's start with your phone's clock. Two-factor authentication codes rely on precise timing. If your phone's time is off by even a few seconds, the code you enter won't match what CommSec expects. Go into your phone settings, turn on Set Time automatically, and restart the device. If you're using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator, open it, tap Time Correction for codes, and sync your time. Next, check your apps. Outdated versions of the CommSec app or your authenticator app can lead to invalid or expired verification codes. Go to your App Store, update both apps, and then try logging in again. If you're using SIM-based verification and not receiving your code, the issue might be your network. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or toggle airplane mode for a few seconds. Delayed SIM messages are a common culprit. If you recently changed phones or deleted your authenticator app, you need to reset your two-factor authentication. On the CommSec login page, click Trouble logging in or Can't access FA, and follow the account recovery process. After verifying your identity, you'll be able to set up new authentication on your current device. Here's a crucial tip. Always save your backup code securely when setting up two-factor authentication. They're your safety net if you lose access to your device in the future. So if your two-factor authentication isn't working on CommSec, take it step by step, sync your time, update your apps, and check your signal. With these quick fixes, you'll be back in your account, trading securely and confidently in no time.